Hey everyone, I hope you can see my screen and hear my voice. So my name is Shafiq and welcome to my channel. I am working as a Google Ads expert for the last 2 years now. And now you're watching one of my clients' account and the Google overview section. And recently I have been contacted by a few clients who have been trying to run Google Ads on their end. And that's a good thing because in the starting you don't need to spend your money for a high profile agency because it will cost you more. In fact, you can use that money for running your ads. So right now, for the clients who have been trying to run their ads on their own, we're going to discuss the 6 KPIs of Google Ads because uh, you know uh, people don't know when they're running their first campaign. People don't know what to look and what to measure. So right now on the screen, you can see the 4 KPIs. The first one is the impressions, then the clicks, and then you can see the CTR, and then you can see the average CPC. Now let's discuss these KPIs one by one. The first one is the impressions. The impressions shows you how many times people have viewed your ads. You can see that there's impression of 205K, but uh, this doesn't show you the number of users seen your ad because a single user can see your ad multiple times. And then comes the clicks. This shows you how many times your have ads have been clicked. You can see that the clicks amount for the last 7 days is 1.92K. And then comes the CTR. The CTR is the CTR shows you the percentage of getting clicks per 100 impressions. All right, and then comes the average CPC. We have a average CPC for USD 1.12 for the last 7 days. This shows you the average cost per click for this account or for the running campaigns you have. So these are the 4 KPIs, and now we're gonna see the next 2 KPIs. The first one is the conversions. So I'm gonna change it from here. Let's click on it and let's go to the conversions. And as this is a e-commerce website, so we're gonna move to the purchases. So if you click on the purchase, you can see that we have 93 purchases for the last 7 days. And now it's showing fractions because of the attribution model Google has have now. It's the data-driven attribution models. We will discuss it some other days. So this is the conversion we have. So the for the e-commerce side, the conversion is the purchase. The conversion is the ultimate motive you have running your campaign. So for e-commerce side, of course, we need purchases to be our conversion. So this is it. This is showing how many conversions we have for the last 7 days. And the next one is the conversion rate. The conversion rate shows you how many people converts after getting 100 clicks. Because when 100 people clicks, this shows you how many times your ads get converted. So let's go to the conversion rate. So we have 4.63. Let's assume it's 4. So every 100 clicks, 4 people have converted. Four people have made purchases for the campaigns, for all the campaigns that we're running in this account. So these are the 6 KPIs initially you need to measure. And let's talk about some advanced things because let's not make this video short, and let's give a bit more value to this video. So sometimes if you when you run a campaign, you can face a issue that you are not receiving any significant impressions or any impressions at all. So for those times, if you're not receiving enough impressions, so there might be 5 possible reasons. So first one is the if your keyword research is wrong, your keyword doesn't have significant search volumes, and then comes the location. Your location is too narrow, and then comes the bidding issue. You are bidding too low for your ads to be shown in the competition, in the pile of ads you see on the first page of the Google. And then the possible reason can be not enough daily budget. If you have set your daily budget too low, Google won't show your ads to the people. And then the next reason can be your CPC may be high for your research keywords, but you have set the CPC too low. That's why you won't get enough impressions. And then let's move on to the clicks. And if you're getting good enough impressions but not enough clicks, then the possible reasons can be, the first one can be the headline and the description problem. If your headline and description is not appealing and not that much convincing, then you might not get enough clicks. And then the second reason can be the extensions. If you haven't added any extensions to your ad, that might lead you to get lesser clicks. And then the average CPC. If your average CPC is too high, then you might go through the reasons we have discussed for the impressions and clicks. Those might be the reasons. And then if you are not getting, if you are not getting, if you have a low CTR, because the standard CTR for an e-commerce site should be 2 to 3%, and this account in this account we are getting lower CTR. So we need to go through all the reasons, the keywords, the headlines and descriptions, because lower CTR means that we are not getting enough clicks in terms of views. All right. And then the conversions, if you go to the conversions, the ultimate goal for our conversions is to the ultimate goal for us is to get as much as conversion as possible. So that must be it. And if we are getting just let me go to the conversion rate. All right. So the conversion rate is 4.63%, which is good enough for an e-commerce site, because for every 100 people viewing our ads, 4 people is converting. That's great. So if you're getting lower amounts of conversions, and if conversion rate is low, then you must be wondering what is happening. But you need to check some issues. The first one is the conversion tracking. If conversion tracking is not set up properly, you might get a lower conversion rate. And then the landing page and user experience issues. If your landing page is not showing the user what they're looking for, then you might get a lower conversion rate. Then the product quality. If your product quality is weak in comparison to your competitors, then that might be the reason for the lower conversion rates. And then the pricing. So you need to set the pricing according to the competitors as well. And then comes the brand value. If your brand doesn't have enough awareness or enough brand value, then you might get a trust issues, and you might not get enough conversions. And then came the campaign issues, like your ad copy is not very compelling, your keyword researches are not properly done. So those might be the reasons for the lower conversions rate as well. So this is so that's it for today's videos. So next videos is gonna be another topic. So if you're gonna find it interesting, if you're gonna know the other topics as we're gonna discuss, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. All right. So let's talk to you then in my next videos. Bye bye for now.